Okay, a little bit more progress today. Got a few things done, wrapped up some electrical stuff. Um, so I'll just show you what I did. I now have lights. So we finished up the headlight and I can turn on lights now. And then also what I did is I mounted two LED indicator lights up here. So this is low oil pressure light and then this is high beam light, and that works. And I replaced a couple bulbs in here. Also did the blinkers. So we have blinkers now. Um, they are not hooked up in the back where they should be, obviously. We're thinking about possibly drilling holes in the frame and then putting them back here, or even making a bracket. So I would probably put them back here because right here where I extended the swing arm or the tail, I've got a metal plug in there. So don't want to drill through all that garbage. So we might do this, put it in here, and then we'll do a stop light, tail light back here. Kind of, I found a couple that are like 2.5 inches in diameter. So it'll be a nice smaller light, and then the seat. The other things, what else did we do? I got it running today. I did a vacuum on the carbs. They're pretty close. It's hard right now because I'm still having issues with idle. I think I said in the last video, I rejetted everything back to the stock. So it's 74 mains, 35 idle jets, and I'm still getting kind of this weird idle. So I'm not sure if my cable's too tight, because it is a little bit tight in there, so it doesn't let it relax, kind of. So you have to kind of kick the throttle around. So I might have to change throttle cable, which just came with the bike. Had no idea what they were. They were new ones, but obviously it's a little bit too tight. It's at its max adjustment. And yeah, other than that, I'm just kind of, I got to wait for a couple parts for fixing leaking a couple little oil leaks. In my last video, I found out what that is. It's just an oil transfer tube basically inside there again. I guess it brings oil from the sump or back from down in the case down into the sump. Anyway, I found one of those O-rings. They're in Europe somewhere at that CMSL site. So I'm not sure about ordering that. I think I'm just going to order some O-rings and get a decent size replacement one and throw it on there. Not a big deal. And then the oil pump will come off also, and that O-ring will be changed. But yeah, other than that, kind of good to go right now. So it is where it is. We have lights and the headlight case is on, and just a couple little things here and there. So more carburetor adjustments and engine stuff. So anyway, until next time, goodbye.